In this Surah Al-Fajr, Surah number 89, verse number 1 to 2, when Allah says, Wal Fajr, Walayalin Ashr, by dawn, by the 10 nights. The Mufassirin say, and it's also mentioned in Ibn Qasir, volume number 8, page number 413. And if we refer to the summarized version, the English translation printed by Darus Salam, it is volume number 10, page number 468. Ibn Qasir and many Mufassirin say that these 10 nights refer to the first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah. And they agree that these first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah are better than all the other days of the year. It's even better than the last 10 days of Ramadan. But it's mentioned in Ibn Qasir, volume number 5, page number 412, that though the first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah are the best days of the full year, the last 10 nights of Ramadan are the best nights of the year.